Hi, I'm Tony from Barista Supplies, and today I want to talk to you about TEMPTAG. When you're steaming milk, we need a thermometer. We need a thermometer when we're first training, and even when we're professional and very experienced, every now and then we like to double check what our milk's doing. The easiest thing to do, and probably by far the best, is TEMPTAG. Gone are the days where you have to decide to go and put a thermometer in your jug and have it dangling in there while you're trying to steam milk. TEMPTAG does it all for you without that interruption. TEMPTAG began with the TEMPTAG Classics. They come in full cream, soy, or other milk derivatives so you can separate your jugs. But then TEMPTAG moved on to TEMPTAG Tri, a really good system where it shows 3 phases of just warm, perfect temperature, and the slightly hot for customers who want it that way. But now the new generation TEMPTAG Pro. TEMPTAG Pro looks like the traffic light system. When it lights up to orange, then green right on the 65 degrees, and when you get through to 70 on the red. It sits there on your jug all the time, always in use, every single time you're on the wand. So you can get the perfect result with your milk. To find out more about TEMPTAG and all our products, please follow, subscribe, and share this video to those who you know will want it. We're Barista Supplies. We're very, very proud of our relationship with TEMPTAG.